And this is Sai Phanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice orientation from scratch from today's class. Need your support. Let's go back to school. I mean it. Let's get started slowly. And today we are going to learn number one, what is database? First part. Second part, we are going to learn how to get it installed so that we can start working on it from tomorrow. Database, a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no restrictions, no exceptions at all. My God, petabytes and thousands of terabytes of data we can store in a database, no limit. Any type of data, your passwords, my QR codes, anything, everything we can store here in our database. And two basic types of databases here. OLTP databases. These are the items we are going to install today. I'll show you the process. I'll repeat the process. You will do it from the class notes after the session today. If it is really required, then you will refer to the video. Video would be there anyway, but I want you to refer to the notes at the first place. It will save a lot of time for you. Let's get started now. Two types of database, OLTP, the one that we are going to install today. What it is? OLTP, online transaction processing database. It is a database to store live real-time data. Remember, a database to store live real-time data, OLTP. Remember this. Then we have other one called data warehouse. What is that? Data warehouse. This data warehouse is mainly to store historical data. Main purpose of data warehouse to store old historical data. What does it mean? Assume a live cricket match, OLTP. Batsman hit a boundary. What next? Of course, advertisement, and then starts reports. Highest boundary, longest boundary, fastest boundary, etc. Right? Those kind of reporting, analytics, history is actually taken from warehouse. Remember, it is from warehouse. Now, our duty, we are going to slowly start from the birthplace of data, database, OLTP environment. There are other type of databases also. There are other type of databases also. We'll go there slowly, step by step. What is that now? We are learning something called OLTP. We'll start our installation in another few minutes today. So OLTP, I said, birthplace of data. Developers will be involved in designing of the OLTP database, and data engineers will be involved in or responsible for data warehouse design. Database administrators, DBAs, will be responsible to manage both databases. Data analysts to report databases. Here it is, the end-to-end project plan. Any database project, you have this plan. Data would be sourced from, data will be injected from websites, apps, files, and other platforms like devices, sheets, etc. Google Sheets, etc., or feeds, social media, and so on. From there, data initially sits inside OLTP environment. From there, the data would be filtered and then sent to warehouse. Okay, it will be sent to something called warehouse. Now, how the data is shipped? How the data is shipped? It is shipped using something called ETL process. Remember, what is that? Using something called ETL. Remember that. Extract, transform, load, ETL. Remember that. Next, we'll go there slowly on the screen anyway. Extract, transform, load, ETL we call it. Then our next item. Here, from data warehouse, data would be going to reporting platform Power BI, or sometimes it may go to some additional data science components called analytic OLAP environment. We have deep learning, machine learning concepts over there, data mining activities and other algorithms. So we have something called ETL, extract, transform, load. From here comes few important job roles. I repeat again, we have the birthplace of data, OLTP. They welcome any type of data, every type of data, and identify historical information, store it in a warehouse. So we have developers, administrators, DBAs, data engineers, and data analysts for any project. So here are our job roles. From certification perspective, we have data engineers, data warehouse databases, cloud computing and ETL, DP203, data analysts, reports and dashboards, PL300 certification exam, guidance part of our course, and DBA, OLTP and data warehouse management and troubleshooting, DP300 examination guidance part of our course. So here is our actual journey line now. We are going to start from database concepts tomorrow. Today, let's invest our valuable time in installation. Tomorrow we'll slowly start the concepts and proceed for queries, architecture, basic tuning, and other basement activities first. Then you will proceed for your actual resume plan, job role options. Hope you received the detailed content from our team. I'll be sending it once again today, the keyword checklist and the chapter wise content for your journey plan towards your resume. Let's get started slowly, step by step now. How to install SQL Server. Remember, iPhone 13, 14, 15. Same way, our Microsoft SQL Server, a software needed to operate on databases, has different versions over the years. 2022 latest version, 2019 older, 2017 bit older, and so on. Our course is into 2022 from today. However, experience profiles, we have additional classes on older versions and their differences. Migrations is required for experience profiles, part of our course. Various flavors, editions, models of iPhone or any other Samsung or other mobiles, we have something like Max, Max Plus, and so on. Same way, various flavors, editions of SQL Server enterprise, developer, express, data center, so on. First department here, first category, free editions. Second category here, it is the actual licensed copies. So here are the licensed copies. Our course involves one licensed copy and one trial copy. This trial copy in your computer, and this one will be in from our server, part of our classes. I'll guide you for the installation step by step anyway. We need Windows 8 or higher OS, 6 gig RAM minimum. If you are using MacBook, please enable Windows inside the Mac so that we can happily proceed with our course to start from the scratch tomorrow. Let's get started with the installation now. Just in case if anyone joined bit late, for them, let me just recap the points again, the main base points. Here it is. What is that? First, database. A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. Two types of databases, OLTP, to store live real-time data like live temperature, live stock market activities. Data warehouse, to store historical data, temperature and old stock market operations. How these two are related? Using something called ETL. We accept data from various applications, mobile desktop apps, website forms, Excel, CSV files, and other social feeds, etc. into OLTP. From there comes data warehouse. From there comes reporting in general. Bigger projects, smaller projects, there will be shortcuts as well. But everyone, we need SQL. But how? For SQL, we need certain software. Let's install that software today to suit our actual job roles. So here we are going to learn the concept of DBMS from tomorrow and the concept of SQL from tomorrow with examples. To step into this DBMS and SQL, let's do the installation today. And how to proceed for installation, let's see. We'll go for questions anyway. After revision of installation, let me show you first how to do the installation process. Here is a small preview before I practically show you the installation. We are going to install a website and then we are going to install a browser to access the website. Same way, here it is. We are going to install a server first and then we are going to install a tool to access the server. Just like website needed a browser to access, here server needs a tool to access. Without tool, we cannot access the server. Like without browser, we cannot access a website. Same thing. So let's install both server first, tool next. You will be having access to this link anyway, to this notes. Let's stay tuned. Hope you already have these notes with you. If not, just remind me after the class today. I'll send it to those participants who are yet to receive the notes. This particular document. Our example today, server installation in your computer, tool installation in your computer. Revise the concept for clarity. Time permits today, if not tomorrow, connections. So here it is. We need Windows 8 or higher operating system with 6 gig RAM. Let's install server first. And let's install the tool next. Then we need to connect to the local server as well as online server. Total 4 different steps we need to do. Step number 1, install the server. Number 2, we need to install the tool. Number 3, we need to install the, we need to connect to local server. Then we need to connect to our online server as well. Both are equally important for us. Both local and online. Part of our course. Because in real world, we work with licensed copy, right? Not the trial copy. So there is a difference between local, free and online, our actual enterprise licensed copy, official license copy. So let's download SQL Server. You'll download the SQL Server from this website. I'll provide you the complete notes. Once you download, you right click extract. Okay, once you download this software, you are going to right click that download file and extract it. Once you extract it, then you get one folder like this. Once you get the folder, installation left, new installation right. Observe carefully. Installation left and new installation right. Okay, you'll do these things carefully today. Then next, you'll continue next like this. Then finally I'll show you practically anyway. Let's observe carefully. Finally, what we do, uncheck Azure. Remember, I was telling starting of the class today, OLTP. Come on, what are the examples for OLTP, please? Hope you remember few minutes back. What are the examples for OLTP, please? Yep, hope you remember. Everyone, mic with you all, please. I'll wait. OLTP examples, please. I'll wait.
Like a live cricket match,
Yeah, live cricket match, online banking, online stock
stock
market.
stock markets.
Yes,
Live weather reporting.
exactly. Anything live, okay? Anything live OLTP. So we are going to install OLTP component today. For that, we need to select database engine. Remember, we are supposed to select database engine. Okay. Once we install database engine for OLTP, then installation name, see here, installation name, admin name, install. That's it. Very simple. I repeat again. Please observe carefully. Firstly, we are going to download the software. Screen 1. Once we download the software, then next step, we are going to extract and run the setup file. Then installation left, new installation right. 2, 1. Remember, 2, 1. Then accept licensing terms, database engine, uncheck Azure. Azure is a Microsoft cloud. Uncheck the box for today. Database engine, installation name, admin name. I'll write here again. Then we are going to see the installation process and repeat it. Firstly, download, then extract, then run setup file. Okay, setup application file, run setup file. Here we are going to have installation, new installation, then next, accept licensing terms, then uncheck Azure, that is Microsoft Cloud. We are very new, we'll go for cloud after few classes. For now, uncheck Azure, then check database engine. For what? Come on, please. For what? For
For OLTP.
OLTP. Okay. Database engine for OLTP operations. Remember. Okay. Database engine for OLTP operation. Next, for OLTP. Then installation name, also called instance for tomorrow's class, and add current user as admin name, like this. That's it, you are done. Install. Let me show you the process carefully now. We'll definitely go for questions, but let's do it first. Then we go for questions one by one. A simple, straightforward process. Let's observe it carefully how to do that. Simple process. Let's see. So firstly, what we do, here it is. I'll take you to my other computer to show you the installation process. First, I'll take you to my computer and this one. This is the download file. You'll do it after the class. Let's observe carefully. Firstly, what we do, right click, extract. See here, right click, extract. Okay, go to extract, then you get one folder like this. Once you extract, okay, here it is. Double click on the setup file. Okay, here we go. Double click on the setup file and then let's wait for some time. I'll go in a slow pace. What next? System configuration checker. See here, SCC, system configuration checker. Launch a tool to check for conditions that prevent successful SQL Server installation. Click SCC, click it. Make sure no errors. What if we get any error? I'll be providing you today one PDF document that contains solution for each of these errors. See, regular installation, next finish, anyone can do. Our talent lies in troubleshooting the installation, addressing the installation. Customers may contact us to get the help on installation. That is more important for us at our job desk. I'll be providing one PDF that contains what we need to do at OS level so that SQL Server can be easily, happily installed. Other words, how to resolve each of the possible errors. I'll do it anyway after the class today. For now, make sure everything is passed. Remember, we're at to install our server, okay? We're at to put our right leg into the server. right? Like into the database platform, database world. We are still at the operating system level. OS should welcome the database management system, DBMS, SQL Server DBMS. There is every possibility for errors. So our class, click OK, our class notes, click OK. What is that again? System configuration checker. Then actual installation process. From here, next finish. Click on new installation. We'll go for questions after the revision. Observe carefully. Okay, here it is. Okay, here we go. Just click on this one. Installation. Next. Click on this one. Next. Firewall warning, ignore it for now. Firewall warning, ignore it for now. Next. Then next, let's go slowly step by step. Remember, I was telling like iPhone has iPhone Max, Max Plus, etc. Different variations or flavors, editions. SQL Server DBMS also have, database management system also have multiple demo pieces, demo variants. Evaluation, 6 months trial. Developer, lifelong free. Here it is. Okay, here it is. Then next, here it is. Express, very basics for universities and colleges for academic projects. It won't work for our classes from tomorrow, not at all. So if anyone already have some installation with you already, no problem, no problem, leave it as it is. You'll follow the class notes as it is after the session today. Keep the old one as it is, don't disturb it, leave it, forget it, install a new one. Side by side installation, no problem at all. Select developer edition. Next. Accept licensing terms. Next. Hope you remember the notes earlier, few minutes back. Uncheck Azure. Uncheck Azure. What if we check Azure? It will ask you for all these IDs and other things. We are very new. We don't know them. We have to discuss them. For now, uncheck. Uncheck and next. Leave them to me. What we did so far? Download, extract. Please check your mic, please. Once we download, extract, then next step. Then next step, here it is. Next, and evaluation or developer. Developer is better, lifelong free. Evaluation only 6 months trial. Developer lifelong free. Database engine. Come on, what's the purpose of database engine, please? OLTP, right? Our classes from tomorrow, isn't it? OLTP, first database type, live cricket match, isn't it? OLTP means, please everyone, OLTP means online, online transaction processing database. Okay, exactly. Attendees who are not responsive, I'll show you two things. Okay, attendees who are not responsive, I'll show you two things. Please help me for remaining items. Attendees who are not responsive, I'll show you two things. Please respond for the remaining classes, remaining questions, part of our classes. Okay, please help me. First thing I'll show you here. Please help me. Please help me. Second thing, I'll show you here. Attendees who are not responsive, please help me. I'll show you something here. I think I can show you this one. Yeah. One more I can show you. Attendees who are not responsive, please do help me. I need your support. For example, last weekend we had one workshop and it was sent to participants who are responsive, interactive, active in our classes. Need your support. I'll some background sound there. I have to mute that mic. Please excuse me, everyone. Padma B, I'll mute you. It's my job. It's my job to make sure things are clear for me. I'll continue, friends. Please respond. Make sure we are interactive. One time, lifetime chance to learn something. Let's do our best. I want to give my best and I'll do it carefully. I have been doing it very cautiously all these years. I am cautious. Please help me. I'll continue. Attendees are not responsive. Please, you want more? You have to give me more. In terms of response, I'll continue. Database engine, OLTP. Next. Next. Here you see something called instance. Instance means installation. Give some name. Any name is fine. I'll say SQL School local lab or local. Give some name. Any name is fine. Next. Any name is fine. Next. Give some name. And next. No, Sai, what happens if I give the first one? No problem. Either default means a name is automatically coming up. We'll talk more about it in our next part of this chapter. For now, provide some name. Any name is fine. Any name is fine. And next. Give some name. You get one ID automatically. Give some name. You get ID automatically. And next. Database engine. Installation name. Add current user as admin. Just follow the instructions as they are. In real world, Android, iOS, Mac, and other operating systems and platforms can also access your SQL Server. But how? By using mixed mode. So enable mixed mode authentication. It needs one password. But what about the login name? I said password directly. What about the login name? Login name will be SA. Remember, system administrator. I still remember my grandma's house, my childhood. Please remember this example for entire week, this classes. It works. I'll make you travel back to our happy childhood days. We need this example for this week classes. Our old grandma's house, back in the village or the town. One house, our SQL server. Two gates, two watchmen. One watchman, front gate, this one. Add current user. The front gate is Windows. Windows user. Azure SQL School is my username coming up here. Azure SQL School. The side gate near the well. Near the well, the side gate has another watchman, say SA. No watchman anyway in my grandma's house. Just add on small, okay, add on decoration. SA. So that watchman has a key. That key is the password. That's it. One house, two gates, two watchmen. Main gate Windows, and the side gate SA. They know how to communicate. That communication part we are going to learn in architecture very soon. For today house, tomorrow comes rooms, floors, cameras, database, log file, data file, etc. Things are very easy if we follow these examples. I repeat again, server is our house. Today, tomorrow, database is a room and tables are the cupboards, shelves are the columns. Let's make it easier and interesting. Next, I repeat, today server is our house. Install. I promised you to repeat. Let me repeat it for you now. What I do? Go to your downloads. First you download the software. Then right click extract. You get a folder. Okay. Now there are two set of files. I didn't observe it earlier. Now the second time I'm more cautious. I got second set of file. What is this? Repairs DBA. Database administrators will work on this config file for repairs. Remember, repairs and troubleshooting, we need config file. For today, just born, let's go for SQL Server setup. Double click on the setup file. We were just born. DBAs are the doctors later. For now, just born setup file. System configuration checker. 1.5. Remember, 1.5. A PDF is waiting for you that gives us information about how to troubleshoot each of these errors prior to installation of the software. These are all OS level blockers. Once we verify everything is fine, then comes actual installation 2.1. I repeat again, please observe carefully. 1.5, then 2.1. 1.5.2.1. Remember, 1.5, then 2.1. Left side 2, right side 1. If in case you are writing your observation notes. Installation left, new installation right. From here, let's relax and do the installation now. Let's observe carefully. Very simple and straight. We'll go for questions in another 5 minutes. Next. In the meantime, I'll compose the email from my other computer. Any firewall warning, just ignore it. Okay, no problem. Any firewall warning, no problem at all. Just ignore it. No issues at all. Okay, any firewall warning, just ignore it for now. We'll address it later classes. Architecture part, for now just ignore it. Next. Then what else? Here it is. Next. Okay, next. Here we go. Click on next. New installation. Okay, give the new installation. Next. Give the new installation and next. Once we give the new installation next, then our next step. Evaluation of developer, select developer. Evaluation only 6 months. Go for developer is all features anyway. Next, no problem. Click on next. Then accept licensing terms. Okay, accept licensing terms and next. Once you accept licensing terms, next, then uncheck Azure. See, it should be becoming very simple now. It's very easy and straightforward concept. Okay, so here we go. Accept licensing terms and next, uncheck Azure database engine. Okay, database engine. Say next. Okay, here we go. Provide the installation name. Any name is fine. Okay, any name is fine. Next. Say next. One more thing. Here you have something called collation. We need it from tomorrow's class. Collation. What is this? Tomorrow we are going to get it explained with an example. Collation means server property to specify language, whether you want English language or Chinese, Ukraine, Russian, etc. Really, here it is. Ukraine, Russian, etc. Whatever language you want. For now, select collation. Just leave it to the default. Next. I said server is our house for next week, next classes this week. So we need two gates. One is Windows user. This one, add current user as Windows. Other one, we have SA, system admin password. Okay, give some password. Anything is fine. I'll say admin $123. Any password is okay. No problem. These other items, leave it to me for tomorrow's class. We'll get them addressed one by one. Notes is waiting for us anyway. We'll do one by one. For now, next, let's complete the installation part. So click on next, and then click on install. Just click on install, and it would take somewhere between 3 to 5 minutes max. Installation will be complete. Okay, once you complete this installation, our next step, once you complete this installation, then comes our next step, tool installation also. Let's see how to install the tool as well. A simple straightforward process. I repeat again, come on, what we did so far, just to make it clear for us. Firstly, download. Okay, download. Come on, please. What next, please? After download, what we did, please? I'll wait.
Extract.
Extract. Okay, next,
Setup
installation. Yeah, setup file. Exactly. Run setup file. Then 1, 5, 2, 1. What are these?
The
Install
checkers.
new one.
Yeah, 1, 5. That is planning phase. In interview, someone asks us, what are the precautions you consider while installing SQL Server? Planning phase, system, okay, configuration, checker. Tool. It's a tool actually. It's a tool. Okay. Once you are happy with the green items over there, then comes actual installation. That is installation page, new installation. Okay. So for next database engine, installation name, admin name, SA, password, install. That's it. Once you complete this installation process, then our next step, we need to install the tool also. Any questions here, let me know please. I'll wait before we proceed. Email sent with the class notes. Sorry brother, please tell me again. Tell me. Yeah.
Forgot to uncheck the Azure database.
Forgot to uncheck Azure. It'll ask you for Azure ID and tenant ID and other things. So what information will provide there again?
No, here in the steps you have missed that point. That's
That's fine anyway. I got it, brother. I got it. Then I'll just write here uncheck Azure. Yeah, you're right. If you don't forget to uncheck Azure, it asks you for, sorry for the typo, it asks you for some Azure ID and other things. Leave it for now. Okay, uncheck Azure. Thanks for the correction. And database engine and other things. Yes, any questions, please let me know. Email sent with this complete installation information anyway. Please check it. I'll wait.
Just need to know that can you provide a recorded lecture, because I came a little bit late
It's non-technical,
because of the
sir. We'll
timing
take
issue.
it after the class, sir. Yeah, friends, any technical questions from the installation, let me know, please. Friends, non-technical, we'll deviate later. We'll deviate later anyway. We'll do it. I already answered this question starting of the class today. I was mentioning very clearly, everyone. I request you once again, friends, kindly practice from the document only. If it is badly required, then refer to the video. In case if we join bit late or need to leave bit early for our office work, okay, I understand. But if possible, whenever possible, avoid video, go through the notes. It works for our classes. My notes will be and should be in detail, step by step. No problem, brother. Video is there for you to access. You'll get it anyway. Every day, those videos will be there for 2 weeks. 2 weeks. But on time practice required, please, everyone. Notes, I think you already received the notes. Please check it. Please check your notes. I'll wait. In the meantime, any questions here, let me know, please. I'll wait. Please let me know.
Yeah, sir,
Actually,
sorry. Actually, in my laptop, I already installed SSMS and SQL Server 2019, or I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Is there anything I need to download once again, or
Sir,
is it work?
I request you to download and install 2022, sir, from today's class. Okay, it will be easy for us. So leave the existing one as it is. Don't disturb.
Sir, I have not received the notes yet.
Might be on the way, madam. I'll wait for some time. Already sent anyway. Might be
Okay.
on the way. I'll wait. Yeah.
actually, I have installed the SQL Server, and
Okay.
after the installation, I have restarted the system. Then only I installed the SQL Server Management Studio tool. Is that okay?
Yeah, absolutely fine, brother. It's absolutely fine. Yes, it works. Yeah.
Yeah. Also, I didn't check for the database engine services. So, can I install the SQL Server again?
Yeah, please do the process again and install the server,
Yeah.
please. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. And the tool, I don't need to put install the tool again.
Tool again not required. No. Just install the server. It
Okay.
should be. Yes, you are right. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Next question, please. I'll wait.
Just one question. So while installing this SQL Server, we selected database engine. So that means the database engine is the mandatory, I will say, the features,
OLTP.
the service.
Yeah. Workplace I was telling, right? The OLTP is mandatory, brother. Yes, it is mandatory. Yes, it is.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine, friends. After you complete the installation of this server, then we need to install the tool also. You have the notes with you. If not, please give few minutes time. Our team is sending the emails anyway one by one. They are sending it actually. So you'll be receiving the email with 2 website links, one server download, one tool download. Please make sure you have both. So this is a tool. Double click on the tool. Unlike server, tool installation is just like a browser installation, I mean, nothing technical. Just directly download, install, you are done. If in case of any errors, okay, during the installation, please reach me or our team or me directly on my number. Hope you have my number with you, everyone. Just in case, please. Hope you have my WhatsApp number with you, everyone. Please, I'll wait.
Yes, we have.
Is there in the
Yes, we have.
curriculum, on the website? Yep. With my recent photograph, everything. Yep. We need to know each other, right? Email sent everyone, please check as promised. It includes the installation errors also. A PDF, please take a print copy of it. Email sent to everyone, please check. I'll wait, please. Please check it. I'll wait. This is the one, okay? Tool installation. We need to verify the installation. We'll do it tomorrow's class. Yeah.
I have not yet received it.
Oh, is it? Okay, okay, okay. Please wait, sister. I think another 1 or 2 minutes. I just got an update from our team saying it's sent for everyone actually. I shall wait. I shall wait. Attendees
The
who
email which
completed
is
their
the
registrations.
got.
Yeah. Let me put this way. I think my tool is also getting installed now. Server installation successful. Tool installation going on. Next step we'll do tomorrow. Local server, remote server connections. And then once we complete that one, tomorrow's class, we are going to learn the leftovers of today's class. I said there are few things, the notes is waiting for, as I said, right? We are going to learn tomorrow few more interesting things from our interview preparation perspective that include some definitions, connections, definitions, and other things one by one. Please take a print copy of the notes. Attendees who completed their registrations, they would have received one email with first 10 chapters notes. Please confirm. Attendees are at to complete their registrations. They may proceed for registrations, talking to our team, and they already received their introduction installation notes. Kindly check. Please check. I shall wait. In the meantime, anyone any questions, please? I'll wait for some time. We'll stop for now. I shall stay back. Questions, please. Over to you.